Ever wonder how the Amish grow picture-perfect gardens without a single drop of chemicals? No machines, no noise, yet food so pure it lasts through harsh winters. These aren't your grandma's gardening tips. These are secrets passed down in silence. And today, we're pulling back the curtain. Welcome to Rustic Plantry. 1. No fancy layouts, just rows that work. You ever see those perfect Pinterest gardens? Raised beds, symmetry, decorative signs. Amish don't care for all that. Their rows ain't fancy, but they work. Efficient, straight, planted with intention, not aesthetics. Wide enough for a hoe, long enough for a harvest. It's not about how it looks. It's about how it grows. Some beds hold potatoes, others beans, but you won't find labels. They know it's what. It's in their bones. Memory passed down from mother to daughter, father to son, and it's more powerful than any garden planner app. 2. Rainwater catching, old wisdom in a new world. Rain barrels, gutters, metal drums lined up by the barn. You think the Amish wait for the hose? Nah, they don't use hoses. Most don't have them. They catch what falls. Use it wisely. It's softer than tap, better for the plants. No chlorine, no harshness, just sky water. Their gardens drink it up like honey. Some have old wooden barrels. Some just use buckets. Doesn't matter. What matters is they don't waste. Not one drop. Rain in June, that's a gift, a blessing, and they treat it like one. Always. 3. They listen to plants. Really listen. You and me, we Google stuff. Why are my tomato leaves curling? Or what's eating my cabbage? Amish? They don't ask Google. They ask the plant. No, not out loud, but they watch. Real close. A leaf turns yellow. Too much water. Bug holes? Could be cabbage worms. The plants tell stories if you slow down enough to hear. That's what their gardens teach them. Slow. Observe. Respond. It's a language, and they're fluent. Don't need textbooks, just eyes. Years of watching the same rows grow, same soil breathe. That's rare. That's power. 4. Rain barrels. Because why waste the sky? They don't turn a tap. They turn a spout. Rainwater gets caught in big barrels, usually old wooden ones, weathered and gray. When it pours, they don't complain. They collect. That's free water. Clean, soft, perfect for plants. No chlorine, no bills. And during dry spells, they've got enough to keep things green. You'd be surprised how far one storm can go. It's not about being fancy. It's about being ready. Using what's there, not what's bought. The Amish see rain as a gift, and they treat it like one. Simple living, smart living. 5. The garden is a clock, not a race. Amish folks don't rush the garden. They watch it, like a clock. Slow, rhythmic. Certain things happen in May. Others wait till June. They don't force it. Don't plant early just cause the sun came out. No, they wait. Trust the old signs. When the lilacs bloom, time for beans. When the oak leaves are the size of mouse ears, time for corn. They listen to nature, not apps. And because of that, their timing's rarely off. Crops don't fail because they jump too soon. They respect the pace. That's the trick, maybe. Patience. 6. Kitchen scraps never leave the land. Ever peel a potato and toss the skin in the trash? Not the Amish. Every scrap from the kitchen goes back into the earth. Eggshells, coffee grounds, carrot tops, onion peels. Even if it's just a bucket by the back door, it's getting saved. Eventually dumped into the compost pile, or buried straight into garden beds. That's not garbage. That's tomorrow's tomatoes. They see value in what most toss away. Again, waste nothing, not even a peel. It's a cycle, a quiet one, but powerful. The land feeds them, so they feed it back. 7. They harvest like it's sacred work. When harvest comes, it ain't a party. It's focus, precision, serious hands. A row of kids kneeling. Adults with baskets. No shouting, just quiet motion. You pick only what's ready. Not too soon, not too late. That timing matters. Pull an ear of corn too early? It's bland. Leave it too long? Tough. The Amish, they get right. Not because they guess. Because they know. They've been watching that row every day. Felt the soil. Tasted the leaves. They've waited. And when it's time, they don't waste a second. It's not just food. It's survival. 8. They grow what lasts. Not what trends. You won't see pineapples in an Amish garden. Or dragon fruit. Or kale for the gram. They grow what works. Potatoes, carrots, cabbage, onions, squash. The kind of food that stores. Cans well. Feeds big families. They aren't chasing exotic flavors. They're chasing nourishment, dependability. And yeah, that might sound boring, but come February, they'll still be eating homegrown stew while the rest of us are opening a can from the store. That's the difference. They grow for winter, not Instagram, for plates, not posts. And honestly, that's wisdom. 9. Winter doesn't stop the garden. It just changes the work. Most think gardening ends in fall, but for the Amish, winter's just a different phase. The soil rests. Sure, but the gardeners don't. That's when tools get sharpened, seeds get sorted, compost gets turned, plans get drawn. They walk the empty rows, feel the frost, think about what went right, what didn't. Winter becomes a quiet classroom. No crops, but still learning, still tending, still connected. By the time spring rolls in, they're ready. No scrambling, no guessing, just smooth, slow transition from rest back to rhythm. 10. The secret isn't tools. It's time. People always ask, what's their secret? What do the Amish use that we don't? They think it's a special seed or a rare fertilizer. But nah, the truth's simpler. Time. That's it. They give their gardens time. Daily time. Patient time. The kind of attention we usually give screens. They give it to dirt, seeds, worms. And because of that, their gardens give back. Not just in food, but in peace, in pride, in quiet joy. The kind that sticks with you. And maybe, just maybe, that's the real thing we wish we knew sooner. So now you know, it ain't about fancy tools or store-bought sprays. It's about rhythm, respect, and a whole lot of patience. The Amish don't just grow food, they grow tradition. And maybe it's time we did the same. This is Rustic Plantry, where old ways still grow strong. Like what you saw, hit that like, subscribe for more Amish wisdom. And hey, share it with someone who's tired of plastic tomatoes. Till next time, keep it real, keep it rustic,